3-plane professional laser level. Okay, well, let's get to it because I need to use this today. I really do like this packaging. That's quite nice. All right, let's open it up and see what we got here. This is perfect. Look at how nice this packaging is. So we've got 2 batteries, a USB-C charger. We have a wall plug, glasses for your eye protection, the actual device itself, but most importantly, we have a manual. And the manual does come in different languages: English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, what looks like Russian, and possibly Chinese. It gets pretty in-depth. It points out everything that you need to know about the level, what each button does, the specifications of the actual unit. But I always say the best way to get started is just to get started. There are safety glasses. Make sure you put them on when using this, but it does come with a lithium-ion battery, 7.4 volt, 2600 milliamps. It is proprietary to the unit. All you have to do is you pop it open right here. You slide the battery in, close it. There's a lock button down there. By pressing that, it activates the unit, and off you go. Let's get started. What we're going to do today is hang up a picture in my washroom. I got my wife this one here for her birthday, and I know that she's always picky about how straight it is hung. So we're going to drill a hole in the wall, we're going to add an anchor, we're going to hang the picture, and it's going to come out perfectly level, and my wife is going to be happy with me. This laser level made hanging this picture so much easier. I was able to get it done first shot, no issues, and my wife is ecstatic. She loves it. What do you think? Think it turned out okay?